Okay, I'm sorry I'm doing so many parts, but this is part 3. We're at his house right now. By the way, I do have VIP, so I have this house. I let him spawn it. Just look at this. Bro. Let me in. And what to win? Go, Kiv. What are you trying to do? Hey, don't hit my car, dude. Up. I said I'm recording, bro. Can we drift this Honda? Can he? Wait. You would hit drift your Honda. I mean, I like the custom. Oh, so good. I'm gonna clean the car. Look at this. Oh, this one. These two match. I think he's gonna go on my car. Something. We're just doing a little car meetup for this part 3. Yo, Kiv. 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 Yo, Kiv. Is this a car meet? Is this car in? Let's see what he says. Let's see what he says.
Like,
Let's just say that. Whoa, Robux. Whoa. I just chatted in his thing. Guys, when I end this now, I really kind of want it. No way, please. I'm done. No way, he already did.